brother's birthday. So today we will gonna go to SM just to celebrate my brother's birthday. So I will just get ready for today's event. So the lip matte that I will put on my lips is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. So there you have it, the Sensational Liquid Matte that I put on my lips by the way. So there you have it, just a simple red look.
Happy birthday!
Good morning. So today is the first day of our face-to-face class. So I think the teacher will let us to introduce ourselves in front of the class. So let's see. See you there in a bit. Mag-hi. Nag-vlog ako. Vlog. Okay, subscribe ka namin. Good day everyone. So I just want to clarify you what I bought in the Watsons earlier. So it is the Pond's Bright Triple Glow Serum. I just heard that the Bel Mariano and Catherine Bernardo's commercial, and so that I bought this one. And it costs only 490 pesos for buy one take one. And I think it has a glass skin effect on your face. And the steps are: step 1 is to use cleanser for your face, and or use Pond's facial foam. And step 2 is to use Pond's Triple Glow Serum. And step 3 is to use Pond's Serum Day Cream and Pond's Serum Burst Cream. So this is the one that I bought earlier. I bought this Pond's Bright Triple Glow Serum to lessen my dark spots here and here around my mouth area because of the mask kasi nakaano siya dito. So, I want to share you this product because I think that it is effective for your face to lessen your dark spots and to have a glass skin effect on your face. So today is International Dog Day, so later we will show you my dog in the Maldex. Today is Friday, August 26th. So later, we will go around with my dog in Maldex. So see you there.